If you love the years, just plant a tree. Guys, how do you think? What about our today's theme?
Trees.
About trees.
The parts and
About trees. Okay, guys, our today's theme is tree parts and functions. I'm also lesson. Talk about why are trees important in our world and parts of the trees. Okay, parts of a tree. We all know about it. Okay, crown. Tree has got crown, leaves, twig, branch, trunk, roots. But we need it. Why are trees important in your life? I want to ask to you these questions, okay? Why are trees important in your life? Неліктен тал біздің өмірімізде маңызды орын. Okay, please write your opinion, okay? яғни өздеріңіздің ойларыңызды жазыңыздар. Please, I gave you leaves and write on it. Okay? Have we got finished it? From here.
They help us in many ways.
They help us in many ways. Okay.
It gives us oxygen.
Okay, it's very good. We all know about it.
They keep our environment clean, fresh.
Fresh. The next, yes, in here.
It is true that trees are our true friends. Everybody knows about trees.
Okay, next please.
They give us many important things.
Okay, next please. They can prepare their own food in the sunlight. Yani Akash özünün ağzının yeni var ya. Okay.
We should plant more trees for better environment.
Okay. Yes. You must. Okay. Plant trees in your environment.
They have many things like human.
Can you come here?
It gives us fruits and vegetables to eat.
Okay, next please.
Trees are helpful to many ways.
Okay. And what? Come up please here. Come up please here.
They give us shade in summer.
Okay. First I give you leaves. And please write here what did we get from today's lesson. Okay? Please. Right, please. If you have finished, please start. Okay? Erkekler konusunda translate. Okay, girls, I want to give you questions. Why the trees important for us? Girls, why the trees are important in our world? What do you know about it? What are the
It gives us fruits,
It gives us fruits.
leaves, and clean and oxygen.
Clean our oxygen. Okay? This material. The tree breaks the bad air and release the good air. Okay, please.
I learned in the lesson 3 part.
Okay, please. Please.
I learned to trees help when it comes to eat.
Okay, please. Hang on. Please read. I learned.
I learned in the lesson 3 part.
I learned in the lesson 3 parts.
In this lesson, I will learn part 3 and the 3 function.
Okay.
I know the 2 trees, function, and English.
Okay, continue, please.
I know about trees English.
Okay, be quickly.
I know trees is fruits.
I learned tree and the plants. I know trees help roots and driven air. I learned
Parts. Okay. Guys, I don't hear your voice.
I read also 3 parts
Okay.
and
Okay.
I know trees help without speech.
Okay. I know about parts of breathing. Okay. Thanks, guys. Is it important trace in our life? Bizim ömrümüzde tanımlanan ortamımızda mı? Yes. It is very important. Okay, that's all.